If you're dealing with Crohn's disease, there's an opportunity for you to be a part of a clinical trial.
Dr. Carl Diener and Ricky Lee Hatz have more information for us. First off, you guys, thank you so much for being with us.
Of course, thank you for having us.
And so, Doctor, we are talking about Crohn's disease. I know we're going to be talking about a lot of other things, but how does a clinical trial benefit somebody with Crohn's?
Well, designed and well-executed clinical trials are an excellent opportunity for patients who choose to participate to become more involved in their own healthcare decision-making. Plus, they have an advanced opportunity to gain access to developmental products that may not otherwise be available to them for some time. And they have opportunities to participate in developments that'll benefit others, assuming the product gets on open market.
Okay, and Ricky Lee, now we know you're a nutritionist, right? Mm-hmm. So is there any type of nutritional component that goes into, I guess, getting a hold on the inflammatory bowel disease?
So with inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's and colitis, nutrition can play a really crucial role. So focusing basically with those two disease states, the first thing we want to look at is just really a healthy, balanced diet filled with nice variety, which all of us really want to look and have. But in addition to that, we really also want to look at foods that make that inflammation worse and make symptoms just not comfortable for those patients and eliminate those from the diet, while also trying to find ways to supplement the nutrients that they're missing and finding a balance so that they can still stay healthy regardless of this inflammation in their gut.
Okay. So even beyond Crohn's or beyond the clinical trial, do you guys do something that helps more within that nutrition counseling?
Yeah, so in addition to just the clinical trial side, we are starting to offer nutrition counseling, which is really exciting for Del Sol. We are beginning to see clients with a bunch of different gastroenterology conditions. And so with those clients, it's really working on promoting that overall healthier gut, figuring out what can we actually eat when we have all these limitations to still remain healthy. But also we're going to work on a obesity and weight loss program. We're going to be introducing, seeing clients with eating disorders, diabetes, hypertension, you name it.
Wow.
So offering a lot of new nutrition counseling.
Wow.
Okay, and we discussed a little bit about the first clinical trial. Are there other clinical trials that you will be conducting?
We are conducting. There are clinical trials on anal fissure, very painful condition, temporary, but speeding up resolution is great. Cutting-edge asthma treatments, hypertensive treatments that are novel, irritable bowel syndrome, eosinophilic esophagitis, and birth control regimens and other gynecological trials.
So how does somebody find out if they're the right candidate for one of these?
They are welcome to address our website or telephone, and additional details will be provided regarding all the research opportunities and the specifics of anyone.
So really anybody, it's just a matter of picking up the phone, reaching out to you to see if it really fits them.
Yes, and there are multiple opportunities over a wide range of diseases at our facility, and there are other facilities in the community too. And I encourage patients to participate, particularly because there has been some adverse propaganda about how loose these trials are, but they're actually very, very tight.
And I know, just because I've spoken to people from Del Sol, that each one of the clinical trials has a different time frame as to which you do it. So the best thing to do is to go on and get the information for each, because they're all a little different.
All different,
yeah.
All specific for the disease and the product.
Well, we definitely will see if we can connect some dots and see if it's the right candidate, but that's exactly why you guys come on.
Correct.
Yeah, there was some great info today.
Yeah.
Some great info about the nutrition and also the clinical trials. So thank you both for coming on and giving our viewers some great information today. Del Sol Research is seeking participants for the clinical studies you see on your screen and many more. For more details, call 257-3381 or visit delsolresearch.com.
Again, that phone number is 257-3881.